How's it going, guys? If you want to disassemble an AR or M4, whichever one you're looking for, there's 2 pins here. Push them out, come out this side, pull them up. All right, comes apart. Then you got your lower and you got your upper. All right, this is pretty much almost as far as the lower breaks down. You got your upper. So what you do next, you pull this back. This comes out. This is your bolt. And you got your charging handle. So now you have your bolt carrier out. You disassemble this even further. So what you do is take out this pin here. So after that, you're gonna wanna push this piece down. You got, tip it up. There's gonna be a piece of pin in there, different one. You're gonna be able to pull out. All right, that piece. All right, and then so what that does is that's gonna allow you to be able to turn this now, this rectangular piece. All right, now pull out. So you can break this down even further. I'm not going to. So you can knock out these little pins here and you can disassemble this even further. But as far as cleaning it, that's all you really need to do. You're gonna Q-tips and you're gonna clean out the inside of this, in between it, clean out this entire bolt. Then you're gonna wanna give it a nice lubrication after you're done cleaning it. All right, reassembling it, you know, obviously work backwards. You're gonna push that in, take this, drop it back into there, push it down, and then you gotta spin it back over. Some of them, when they're broken in real good, you can just do it by hand. Mine's not broken in too well, so I need something to kind of assist me with turning it. All right, now that's back underneath here. I'll drop the pin in, okay. Okay, pull it back. All right, push that in. Put this pin back. Pretty flush with the rest of the bolt. Okay. Drop the charging handle back in. Make sure it's in the groove. Slide back and forth. So while this is still out, this has to be out like this. If you have it in, because this piece is turned, it will physically block it from going into the chamber. So you have to have this pulled out so it'll be like this so it can turn. So it'll go in now. Okay. Push that forward. All right. Push one at a time. The front one up there. Push the back down. All right. And you have just unassembled and reassembled the AR.